Now let's discuss question 149. A drug called heroin is synthesized by. Now heroin, also known as brown sugar or smack, it is synthesized by acetylation of morphine. So heroin is basically diacetyl morphine, and morphine is an alkaloid obtained from the poppy plant. So here in this option we can see acetylation of morphine is given, and this would be the correct answer. That is option 2. Now let's take another question. Question 150. Select the hormone releasing intrauterine devices. Now in this, Waltz is a barrier contraceptive for the females. LNG20 is certainly an IUD, but this won't be the correct answer. In the second one, multi-load 375, this is IUD, but it is non-hormone releasing. It is a copper releasing IUD. In the third choice, Progestasert and LNG20. Now this is the correct one because Progestasert releases a synthetic form of progesterone, and LNG also releases a similar hormone called levonorgestrel. So these two are in the category of hormone releasing IUDs, and this would be our correct choice. Lipase loop is non-medicated IUD, and it is certainly not hormonal. So here the correct answer is option 3. Now after this question, let us move to the next one, and that is question 151. Now this is a question from the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, where it is given a gene locus has two alleles, the dominant A and the recessive A, if the frequency of dominant allele A is 0.4. Now dominant allele, according to Hardy-Weinberg principle, is written with a P. So that means we are given P as 0.4. Then what will be the frequency of homozygous dominant, heterozygous and homozygous recessive individuals in the population? Now according to the first equation of Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium, P and Q sum up to 1. So if P is given, that means Q would be 1 minus 0.4, and that would be 0.6. Now we have both P and Q with us, and for homozygous dominant, that is capital A, we require P square. So P square would be 0.16. Heterozygous would be 2PQ, that is 2 multiplied by 0.4 and 0.6, that will give us 0.48. And lastly, the homozygous recessive, that is small a, that would be 0.6 multiplied by 0.6, that would be 0.36. So here the correct option with all the correct values is in the third one. And that is the correct answer. Now let's move ahead with the next question. Now in this question 152, which of the following is true for golden rice? Now golden rice we know is vitamin A rich rice. So if we see these choices, it has yellow grains because of a gene introduced from a primitive variety of rice. Now this is not correct. It is a drought tolerant developed using agrobacterium vector. This is also incorrect. It is pest resistant with a gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. This is also not correct. The first option, it is a vitamin A enriched rice with a gene from daffodils. Now this is the correct option, and this gives us the answer as 1. Now let's move to the next question.